Today I will be showing you how to complete the second online assignment, the memory collage. You will need some glue, a pencil, scissors, and some paper. These are some other possibilities of materials you can use, but you can use anything that you can cut and glue. You can also color on paper with colored pencil, watercolor, markers, crayons, anything that you want, and then cut your pieces out of this colored paper. You'll focus your project on one of your favorite memories. Begin brainstorming different memories that you might want to illustrate. Pick one and then begin writing down details that you remember about it. What did you see, taste, smell? Then begin sketching a couple different ways to represent your memory. You'll want to label different materials you can use to create your collage. If you want to add color to your background, you can. I actually used coffee to paint mine. Then you'll want to begin cutting the different pieces to create your collage. Lay them out, but do not glue them yet. That way you can change it if you change your mind. Sketch out your designs on your materials before you cut them out. That way you don't waste anything. You can also crumple paper to give it a texture. Be creative in what materials you use for this project. Use what you find around your house. Pretty much anything that can be glued can be used. I found this old worn out book at a thrift store a while back, and the pages make great texture for this project. You can also add color to anything you find. Collages look best when things overlap. Once you have finished figuring out your layout, you can begin gluing down your pieces. Make sure you smooth out any air bubbles and you get all of the edges glued down. The last step is to add any fine details with a pen or a Sharpie. Then take a picture and upload to Google Classroom.